Hello, and I have a Leetcode number 200, a graph question. Basically, I'm on my array BCC, right? One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 4. And on my 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 1 be represents a asase, right? 1 be a asase. Now, on our side say 0 be a issue, right? Into so much me who asase back point no kwa gina ho, right? And no kwa gina ho no ma issue atwa ho ahia a island. But say asase no issue ntwa ho ahia any island. But ha say ni ebe fa ne say aha ni na so ye issue, right? Aha ni na issue, aha ni na issue, aha ni na issue. Inti no we say no so far we are offer ha say we island because offer ha say na issue atwa ho ahia wa ha say we ni na so ye issue, right? We na issue. Inti no we graph we no island back up in the room. But offer we say so we say no ha say ni na issue, right? Offer we so ha say ni na so issue. And about cool so ha say no issue because 0 say twa ho ahia a island because issue twa ho ahia. We say island because issue twa ho ahia. We say island twa ho ahia. It's question when basically no have so obe gina ha say we gina ha say no akọ ha hwe say ha so ya asase say ya asase no asan akọ ha, right? But so do an my social form han say do as social form ha say why we do a social ha say we do a social ha say inti ugina point bi a sa wo hwe, right? Into gada ni na say well ni na utu okona say ya ba ya asase na de aka ukoto asase na de aka ukoto issue anu wajai ukoto asase na de aka, right? Now me just say one island back, right? Now if you aka kuku jina be fufuro say hu one fufura inti no we start to say ubetuma akwa kan asase wa ha ni na say ko kan asase wa ni na wa san save, right? You store it in a place. Inti so san be do an asan ko na the same asase and na on fan kan ho bio. But we say algorithm I do solve a problem like this no. Since this is a graph no, you can use DFS or BFS, and this is depth first search, and I say BFS near breadth first search, right? Basically what we are going to do is loop through where you drew one, right? Near check ya the depth first search best search ya say one and sabe can be a nice island back. Yes, I could do one view man, yes, I check you. Let's look at how the Python will solve this question. First of all, you start here you set up your BFS function for this one. we've taken a row and a column, right? We're setting up your visitors. Visitor is equal to set, right? Let's set up a queue. Set up queue now. Yeah, append it. Append a new row and a new column. Right. And since the Yafa we can visited no problem. Row and column. Right. Into while queue. Queue dot row and a column is equal to queue dot pop left into for dx dy in cost row about form. I say near say and find so ujina and finfin as here person cost row, no about left, no about right, no about down. Into this function is what will help you see via row column way this pointer. So our functions we never more match yourself from back left, right, down or up, right? And there 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 and 0 minus 1. Right, ADJ call is equal to into your move what yeah the when it come what baby move where the equal left and the equal right. The new row and column index now is what we are getting here. Into first of all it has to be within the range. I will say what within borders now you're setting within the range of rows and columns. Into it has to be rows. Okay, into here and I see I find the length of rows. So that's something that we need to determine. And I say find length of columns which is equal to length of grade 0. That's the length of columns. And the new column now so it has to be within the range. Say cell now corner so if it has not already been visited, right? And so ADJ row has not already been visited. And there should be another and the final one if and grade it's not equal to 1. Equal to 1. I think we have what too much. Just simple factor. Less. Okay. The first a check is within the bounds. Me no way na check is and I check is yeah, it has not already been visited. We have not already been there, right? And last one, 1. Because your status not say 1, I perceive you 1 on quas, and your 1 I perceive the account, right? And see, be away, over to my quacano, a ho, and a way. Say a side, say a 1, right? It's within that range. Now say a cohort and a 1, or say a decant. Say, you have a city home. Visited dot add and a q dot append so this is basically how our DFS function is. The DFS function where just say if you are a bunny be drawn you one him one away. Yes, Ejina has said obetuma then sa kwakoka. Ebetuma kwako rechi, right? Ebetuma rechi, ebetuma bahasi ni rechi and say oba form so betuma rechi or kwa betuma rechi intino connections for honor. Right, obetuma rechi I say. We say no sha obetuma kwa but to me sanko can one be abion because connection be no obion because issue edomo fin zero storm fin, right? Basically the same thing. Final portion will be like this. Column is equal to 1 and perform BFS island island value no I say. Okay, so basically this is how what started free and now 1 that's a 1 university holiday performance our function way on it. So function will determine how many other ones associated will be to me then it's a bit more rich from that particular location, right? It is to me one is our function we are now why are the island counting by 1? So let's see. Wow, all right, looks like Mr. Honey here this time around. Okay, this is how you solve a problem like this. You can see this map it has been represented in an adjacency matrix, right? And try and see so which might represent a graph way, this matrix way in a graph format. Okay, All right, thank you. Bye bye.